Hello everybody, Mike here. So hurricane season is here. So I urge you to get prepared now. And today I'm going to go through some of the things I had last season and some of the things that I did not, that I wish I did. Because I live in Florida and we had a couple hurricanes come through. It's not a good situation. Never really boarded up my windows, but last season I did actually have to do that, and it taught me, you gotta be ready. You never know what can happen. So here we're gonna go through some of the things that I would suggest that you have. First, we'll start with just got my DeWalt toolbox here. Right, it's great. Got the pull-out tray here. Fit a decent amount in there. Anything that's portable, whether you're fixing up your house or you're gonna go help somebody else, anything that you can put in your car that has things that you need, definitely recommended for sure. So next we have the folding workbench. This is also portable. This comes in handy whether it's hurricane season or not. Really like having this table. You can bring it outside if I'm doing something outside, if I'm doing something inside. Really nice, came in handy. So we have the concrete screws, the regular drill, the Ryobi saw. I had a skill saw. Trying to cut up some plywood last season. It was not working out well. I was like, oh my God, I need to get a new saw. So Ryobi has worked out pretty well. The concrete drill bits, definitely recommended to get a compact drill. Regular drill will not get it done. Even if it does, it's going to be a lot harder if you do not have this compact drill. So definitely recommended to get that. Get the handsaw. This came in handy. This comes in handy regardless, like when I'm cutting up tree branches and such. This really comes in handy. You can take different saw blades in and out. Cannot forget the hurricane window clips. So if you're doing plywood, these come in handy. So just to kind of get the sizes for your window now, so it makes it really easy. If you have the plywood cut up to fit your window, all you got to do is put these clips, put the plywood on your window. So that really comes in handy. If a hurricane comes through, most likely going to have power outages. So we have the portable AC here, Black & Decker. And the most important things, got the generator, dual fuel, Westinghouse, extremely popular. Probably the most popular and highly rated generator in the game. You kind of hope you don't have to use it, but definitely would recommend to be prepared because it is a reality. So these are all the tools that I definitely felt like are extremely important. Some of the side things obviously have like water, canned food, things like that. And also another thing that came in handy was having a truck or SUV for sure. If you got to pack up some stuff. Also have the heavy duty extension cords for outdoor use. You can have the electrician hook up your generator, but we currently did not do that. Also, a little small refrigerator would be good. The generator that I have can power the whole house, but if you're trying to preserve energy and to make your propane, your gas last longer, a small refrigerator, a smaller AC definitely come in handy. But those are all the products that I would suggest having. If you have any other recommendations, let me know. Everybody stay safe.